Hi friends! Welcome back to Utuashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Do you like eggplants? Do you also like spicy food? Today we are going to share this delicious hot and spicy eggplant chili spread. Heat a pan with sesame oil. Add mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Add a few sprigs of curry leaves and add finely chopped hot chilies. Saute for 5 minutes. Add in chopped eggplant and saute for 5 minutes on low heat. Add salt for taste. Chili powder, turmeric powder, and cook on low heat until eggplants and chilies are cooked well. Add in thick tamarind paste. Jaggery and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this delicious eggplant chili spread is ready to enjoy with any Indian flatbread, idli, or dosa. Did you try this recipe? If so, comment down below and tell us how you like it.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them.
If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!